This is so natural. So I could stop raving about this because it really is so great. A girls trip this weekend and now I'm back, and I came back to hair mail, which is the best feeling in the world. My man actually opened up my boxes and tried on all my wigs. So I'm trying them on now and I'm super excited. First of all, this box, this is designer. She's an award-winning designer for a reason. Look at this. This is amazing. Everything catches the eye. It's perfect. It's so perfect. Oh man. A whole booklet. It has a whole booklet in here. I don't know if you can see. This is so nice. This is quality. This is... So I'm a lazy wig wearer, which just means I opt for easy to manage styles and I don't wear a wig cap. Hold on a second. I'm gonna have to get my spray bottle. High heat friendly wig. I love this. Oh my gosh. It's so lightweight. It feels like actual hair. I'm in love with this. This is so good. I have my camera set up and I have a mirror right behind it. So if I look over at the mirror, don't worry about it. Wow. Okay, let me show you. This is so pretty. The front and the side and the other side. And I'll turn around. This is adorable. This might be my favorite wig ever. If I were to change this at all, I wouldn't actually change it. I would just add a blow dryer right here to the root, which, look at this, it's amazing. Like, what hairline? But seriously, I think I would just add a little lift. The cap fits me so well. I always thought I was a petite, but maybe I'm just average. I don't want to take it off. I love this so much. I cannot wait to wear this out. This is Drew in color 12 FS12. Wow, this is gorgeous. Jon Renau's lace is the best lace ever. The smart lace, that technology, I don't know what it is, but you cannot see it whatsoever. It's invisible. And you see, there we go, check it out. Dramatic flip. I love this. Okay. I'm not typically a blonde, but this makes me feel like I can be a blonde. Look at this. Oh, let me get it out of my face. I feel like this is so perfect. And I love that there's like metal in the ear tabs. I'm pretty sure it's metal. I don't know. I think it's metal. But I love that. I love that you can bend it. And this style is perfect. This is one of my favorite styles. I have this one in the caramel ribbon and it's amazing. We were on the side of the mountain the other day and it didn't come off. Absolutely not. They're not going to come off. But it also just wind whipped and still was soft afterward, which doesn't happen with a lot of wigs. It wasn't tangly either, which I love. Also, check out this undertone. Like, you see how it's a little bit darker? The brightness is on top. Just like if you were to get your hair done in a salon, this is amazing. I love this. I love this. I think the style is going to go viral. And tuck it behind your ear. The rooting makes it so natural. Like, that's my hair, but you can't tell because the rooting just kind of blends it so well. This is so natural. So I could stop raving about this because it really is so great. Side profile. Here's the back. Here's the other side. I love this style. On Point by Raquel Welch in Deepest Ruby, but look, isn't it giving cowboy copper? I think it's giving cowboy copper. I love this. She's so soft. Immediately thinking like, there's that lace space. She has silicone on the open wefts, which is very thoughtful. And I love this nape area. All right, put her on, stuff my hair inside. And I opt for styles that don't require a whole lot of maintenance. There we go. Immediately love her. This is perfect for hoodie season. Check it. That's my immediate reaction. She's perfect for hoodies. Like, doesn't touch. Except for right here in the front. I don't mind that. She's perfect. Like, I don't want to go any longer than this for hoodie season, okay? I am loving this. Anyway, I love her. I love her. I want to get these fibers to go back a little bit. Might use some water, might use some heat. I love that this is heat friendly. Pretty cool. And I do love that I can style it off the face. Oh my gosh, how pretty. I will be getting this one in more colors for sure, but this is like the it color. Super happy about this one. Thank you, Wigs.com. This is amazing. Thank you.